chocolate honey mustard.
And we back with another episode.
Y'all know what's up. But y'all see we got our shirts on. It's CIAA in Charlotte, North Carolina.
It is.
Turn up, turn up, turn
Turn
up.
up for the city.
Y'all know what's up.
So, we making some egg rolls.
Air fried.
Because I love a good egg roll.
Yes.
A good egg roll. Now, we're not putting any meat in our egg roll.
Yeah, it's just vegetables.
Just vegetables. We got a recipe from a website, allrecipe.com. So they got all the recipes. They got all the recipes in the world. They got, and this is where we found this one. Okay, so it's a recipe for some veggie egg rolls that we're gonna make in the
Air fryer.
air
Now listen, let me tell you. If you don't have an air fryer, the air fryer egg rolls is not gonna work. Notice I said air fryer egg rolls. Listen, it might work maybe in some like grease, but we're doing an air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer,
Oh, you mean like you can fry it? Like
Yeah,
you probably
you
roll it
actually
up
fry it
and
up.
slice some vegetable oil.
Yeah, so you
but
don't
we're
have
gonna
to
try it in the air
because
fryer.
this is the very purchase that I'm very happy about.
Yeah, we want to try it
And I
out.
cook everything. Listen, my favorite thing to cook is wings.
Wings. She's the wing queen.
Understand, like, what do you want? Caribbean jerk, hot buffalo, ranch.
Shut the hell up.
But yes, air fryer is what we're doing.
Yes, and we figure since most people are going to be in their homes because they're going to have the coronavirus anyway, this will probably be a good option to just stay in the house and cook. And you already have it, you don't have to go anywhere, and you can just put it in there.
But
You know,
I hope they don't have the coronavirus, though. I really hope they don't.
but if they do, they can make them an egg roll in the air
I
fryer.
don't have the energy to get up and wipe my ass.
You gotta
No,
still eat. You
egg
have to
rolls.
still eat. You can just come
You probably should eat that, but
Okay, or if you're trying to quarantine yourself and you don't want to go out, so you're just gonna work from home every day, and you have an air fryer, and you're getting tired of cooking wings, try some egg rolls.
egg rolls.
All right.
Or wings and egg rolls. Yes.
I mean, that's how they do it at Chinese house, at a Chinese restaurant. They be having wings, egg rolls.
I mean, I ain't even gonna lie, I only get egg rolls and chicken wings, and she tell me
that's
never mind.
real. Yeah. That might be racist. All right,
So
so
get started.
ingredients that we have some chili peppers. We got some spinach. Now they did say to get canned spinach, but we didn't do that
I didn't even know they had canned spinach. Why would we get that?
No, just get some fresh spinach.
And I cooked them. Yeah, we cooked them.
Black beans. We got some cheese here.
We got some shredded cheddar and
Pepper jack.
cheese.
Yeah, so that's about to be lit, okay? Some corn and some onions. And for the seasonings, we have some chili powder, some cumin, and some black pepper and salt.
Y'all notice we got that right. We said cumin and not cumin this time.
See, you see the growth? Give us credit on the growth, okay?
Go.
All right, so what we have to do is it takes for us to mix beans, spinach, the cheese, the jalapeno, cheddar jack, cheddar cheese, green chili, green onion, salt, the cumin, the chili powder, all in a large bowl. So we're gonna take all of this and put a little bit of everything in a bowl.
So I guess it's to our liking.
It's to our liking, and
That's what
then
we're gonna do. We're not gonna use the measuring cups.
we just scoot it out.
Now I've never had chilies, but they smell spicy.
They do.
So I'm just gonna do like 2 tablespoons. Ha! Do you know what a tablespoon is?
Yep. There you go. They smell good though. I think these egg rolls might be lit.
Spinach. Now I guess, most egg rolls have cabbage.
Yeah.
So I guess this substitutes for it.
Okay.
We probably need a little bit more, because we're gonna make
I mean, it says honestly when you put it in your y'all, we forgot to show y'all the damn egg roll
egg
wraps.
roll wraps.
The most important thing. Get you some egg roll wraps. They're usually like in the refrigerated section of the grocery store.
I'm over here making a whole mess. We're just adding a little bit at a time. Now I will tell y'all this. Normally off camera, if this shit is lit, we make this shit basically to eat. Like that's what we're doing. We got some corn. Yes, I cooked this corn separately.
And some onions.
How many? Oh, we're not missing black beans.
Yeah. You ain't put the black beans in there?
I grilled the onions. Now I don't think that they calls for raw onions. I believe that they calls for maybe like grilled onions.
Yeah, I wouldn't put no raw ass onions in there. I mean, you can, but if you want the extra crunch,
And we're mixing
but
this up.
that's nasty.
We're gonna use this up.
And you need the it says the chili. It says chili powder and the cumin, but you know it doesn't say how much, so it's just to your liking.
Okay, well, first of all, we know how cumin tastes. We ain't gonna go overboard.
Yeah, just a little bit of that, and then some of your chili.
But I feel as though where's the salt?
A little bit.
Where's the sauce to make it like
There ain't no sauce, bitch.
so it's gonna be dry?
What you mean? Like, I mean, I don't think.
Okay, I thought there was.
No, there's no sauce.
So mix corned beans, spinach, jalapeno, jack cheese, cheddar cheese, green chilies. I think that's how you pronounce it.
And that's what we did.
Green onions, but we substitute those for regular yellow onions. Salt, cumin, chili powder in a large bowl. So we're gonna mix this together, guys. We're mixing together.
And I'm laying our little wraps over here.
Oh my God, it smells like hot. It smells so good. Like, oh my goodness.
Oh my God. I can't wait to try it.
Like, I feel like I'm at y'all pie. At y'all bowl.
Oh.
It really does smell good though.
Alright, so I have our little egg roll wraps laid out. And then it says that we're gonna take 1/4 cup.
1/4.
Yep. So you're gonna take 1/4 cup and dip whatever you have in here into the roll.
Okay.
So take 1/4 and put it on each little wrap right here.
So. We land that there. And you know what's so crazy, guys? Some of these recipes that we've cooked in the past, we actually put those on our menus to eat in the house.
Yeah,
You know.
that actually was pretty good.
And the kids like them, you know, they eat them, so you know, that's good.
No. Oh, yeah, I got you. Now what's gonna be interesting is how we about to wrap these damn egg rolls. Yeah.
I mean,
Cause you can't wrap this like a taco.
well, that's what the bro. Well,
Is it directions
okay,
on
so
this?
it does. Okay, so look.
Oh, there is, guys.
There's directions.
There's directions
I didn't even know.
on the back on how to wrap it. Oh shit. Okay.
So
All right. So.
now,
Okay. So let me see one of these. Let me say. Hold.
let me ask you.
Let me say. Okay. So it says you need to get it in the middle.
In the middle.
And then you fold it up like an envelope.
Do you know how to fold an envelope? Like, yeah.
Okay, so it's like here, fold it up like in an envelope, and then boom, boom.
Oh. First try, baby, she did.
Hey, y'all see my egg roll?
Okay. Yes, Miyoko, you did that.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're about to roll all these joints up,
Yep.
and then we put these in the air fryer. Now,
For 4 minutes.
Okay.
Roll all over because she did the first time. Listen, y'all, this about to be lit. So when we come back, y'all gonna see the finished product. Stay
we're about to stick these in this air fryer. Talking about something with these some juice. Girl, this shit's about to be lit like hell. And y'all got the directions. I'm folding the shit out of this.
But you better fold them. You better fold them egg rolls. Fold them egg rolls. Hi guys, we're back.
And we got some egg rolls.
They look delicious, by the way. A little crispy.
They real crispy. So we're gonna test these out. Tell them
What we think
what we think
about the egg rolls.
about the egg
Now
rolls.
making them, it smells amazing.
Mm-hmm.
However, there's no meat in there, so I mean it might be a little.
I mean, but it's still vegetables and cheese. Your traditional spring roll. Except for there's no cabbage and it's got
Is
cheese
it
in it.
our traditional spring roll? Because there was no cabbage. They told us to use spring. I mean, use spinach.
Spinach. I mean, yeah, there's.
That might be a substitute.
Look, we following the recipe.
That's what we did.
Okay, we're gonna have the recipe for y'all in the link below if y'all wanna try it out while y'all are trying to hibernate and quarantine for this coronavirus. Try these out, make them at home, and hey, tell us what you think.
If you do have it, I hope that you get better and feel better.
And have an egg roll. Well,
But they can try before they die. Listen, if you are sick and have the coronavirus or the flu,
Eat an egg roll.
herpes, STDs, anything, I hope you feel better. Get you an egg roll. It might make you feel better.
Can we eat an egg roll? Alright.
It's hot.
Oh,
I'm just saying. Just go to the doctor, get your prescription, get them filled, tell the person that you were with, whatever the case may be. If you got the coronavirus, you can't really blame nobody because it's, everyone, whatever they say. But
can't trace it back.
we about to try this. Oh, it's a little crispy.
Oh shit, why do I have my hand and you got a fork, bitch?
Why do I got a fork? Because nobody eats their egg roll, their real egg roll.
That's why.
With a fork.
When they give it to you at the Chinese restaurant, they give that shit to you in a bag.
This is what I'm about to do because it's too hot.
Alright, let's a little more.
It's hot. You know when it's hot, you used to. And your mama be like, slow down! It's hot! Boil your food! You don't even spit that shit out of me. I got real tears, y'all. Cause this shit I have to be doing sometimes. And your mama get mad, acting like I don't feed you.
Man, you eat the fucking egg roll!
I'm over here crying, bitch. Okay, bucket.
Okay. I like it. I wanted to wait for you to eat your piece and see what you thought, but I think it's good.
It's not bad.
Well, you need some type of dipping sauce.
Yes, that's what I'm about to say. It needs some dipping sauce. It was good though. It tastes like a Mexican egg roll. Cause they got the black beans,
So I'm
the
saying
chiles.
it's not Asian.
But it's just a recipe that showed up when you clicked on it. So, cause I was looking for the cabbage.
Do Mexicans make egg rolls?
No, bitch. But guess what? We just did. Andale, ratalería remorquera, loreca rosito moreca. Don't know what I'm saying, but what I'm dancing.
It's good, girl. It's really good.
It is good though.
It's really good.
It does need sauce. Maybe like some Southwest Ranch.
Something like that.
Southwest Ranch.
But if you're in the house,
Yeah, quarantine.
and you in quarantine, maybe, because I feel like you can make ranch.
Oh, girl made ranch. You remember when Juicy J and Paul had a show on MTV? And she said the ranch was an aphrodisiac. And she was trying to give it to him.
How did they make the ranch though?
But she made the ranch out of, I don't even
Milk?
remember. She did use, I think she used milk. Oh, but she could have just used ranch. She made it seem like it
Stay
was.
tuned. We're gonna have a recipe for ranch for y'all.
Yes. And shout out to CIAA. You know, we are representing, basketball season. However,
It's the last year and it's leaving the city. Farewell to CIAA. Hey, we're going to Baltimore.
Okay.
It's not dying, bitch. They about to still have it.
Well, bitch, they don't know
Moving
where
locations.
So they're going to DC?
No, they're going to Baltimore.
Oh, Maryland. Okay. It's
So-
gonna be lit.
It's about to be ratchet.
But this is a good meal, if you want to be quick.
I like this.
This is on the go, like something to snack on, but
No, I'm filled.
I like it.
I like it. I think it's good.
I like it. It's good. It was a Kobe. R.I.P. It was a
Yes, for sure.
So yes, if you guys like the recipe, like, share, subscribe. Also, try the recipe. And if you add a little, mix into it, let us know in the comment section.
Yeah, tell us what different sauce you would like to use.
Yes, because we think
Give it-
about Southwest Ranch.
Like a Southwest Ranch or something, but if you got a better idea, let us know.
Let us know. However,
It's kind of lit though.
we will be back with another episode next Sunday. Whoa. So please stay tuned. Hope you guys liked it. Like, share, subscribe. Oh, post notification bell so you know. Well, actually, they don't really need to hit that because we just told them when we having a new episode. We probably need to stop doing that This is a lot of pressure on us, guys. I know you YouTubers out there like, you know what? If I tell them a certain time, they're gonna be looking for it. Then you late, then you gotta apologize. So how about this? Tune in Sunday.
Yeah.
We don't have a time whenever the video is finished.
That's when it's dropped.
Woo, we love them. Do you?